Hello students, exercise 7.2 question number 5. Question is, find the ratio in which the line segment joining A and B is divided by the x axis. Also find the coordinates of the point of division. Now solution, let the required ratio be k:1. Now here it is given line segment joining A and B. So draw one line segment AB. AB. 2 points AB. 2 points are given. A is 1, -5 and B is -4, 5. And let P be any point on this line segment AB. So we know A point is x1, y1 and B point is x2, y2, and the point P lies on the line segment AB, and P divides in the ratio k:1. And according to question, P lies on the x-axis because question it is given divided by the x-axis. Since P lies on the x-axis, P lies on the x-axis. Now we know on the x-axis y coordinate is always 0. So on the x-axis y equal to 0. Therefore, the coordinate of P equal to x, 0. So P point is x, y, but in this question P lies on the x-axis. So y coordinate is 0. So the coordinate of P is x, 0. So here x1 equal to 1, y1 equal to -5, x2 equal to -4, y2 equal to 5, and ratio is k:1. So m1 is equal to k and m2 equal to 1. Now bisection formula, section formula, coordinate of P equal to m1 plus m2, m1 into x2 plus m2 into x1, m1 plus m2, m1 into y2 plus m2 into y1. Now putting the values x1, x2, y1, y2, m1, m2, m1 equal to k and x2 equal to -4 plus m2 is 1 into x1 equal to 1 by k plus 1, m1 is k, y2 is 5 into 5 plus m2 is 1, y1 is -5 by k plus 1, so equal to -4k plus 1 by k plus 1 and 5k minus 5 yk plus 1. This is the coordinate, and since y is 0, so now y equal to 0, this means y coordinate is 0, so 5k minus 5 by k plus 1 equal to 0. This means by cross multiply 5k minus 5 equal to 0. 0 into k plus 1 equal to 0. So 5k equal to 5. 5 cancel, k equal to 1. So k equal to 1. Therefore the first question is find the ratio. Therefore the required ratio is, therefore the required ratio is k is to 1, k equal to 1, that is 1 is to 1. This is the first answer, 1 is to 1. Now question is second part, also find the coordinates of the point of division. So now putting the value of k equal to 1 in the coordinate of x. So x equal to minus 4k plus 1 by k plus 1. Minus 4 into 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. Because since k equal to 1 already we got. So minus 4 plus 1 by 2. Minus 4 plus 1 minus 3 by 2. So x equal to 3 by 2. Therefore coordinate of p equal to x comma 0. X comma 0. So x equal to minus 3 by 2 and y is 0 as per question. So answer is minus 3 by 2 comma 0. This is the second part answer. Thank you.